Dear student, class 7, welcome to our online class Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter 6 election system of Bangladesh. Election is one of the most important founding principles of democracy. In this system, the citizen get the option to elect their representative from more than one candidate. The election is held through secret ballot. The winners in the result of election from the local and national government, they participate in the legislation and administration of the country. In actually who are selected a representative, they participate in the legislation and administration of the government. He run the government. In our country, elections are held for Union Parishad, Upazila Parishad, municipality, city corporation, national parliament and presidency. Election creates the bridge between underlying the government and citizen. A country can reap the real benefit of democracy only if the fittest people are elected through a free and fair election. It is so tough question, free and fair election. Lesson 1. Concept of election, its necessity and system. Concept of election, generally speaking, election is a process or system through which the citizen with voting rights of a country can elect their representative. In other words, election is the constitutional process. It is true that election is the constitutional process. This process enables the voters of a country to choose their candidate or representative to administer the country. So if we choose the person, we have to consciously select them, and these people are actually administer the country. These need the active support of the government. Necessity of election. Today it is no more possible that all inhabitants of a town or country will participate directly in legislation and administration. For this, the people elect their representative who conduct the state affairs on their behalf. This election of representative is run through voting. Besides choosing their representative, people also express their opinion about the kind of administrative system they want for themselves. After 5 years, we will get a election national level, and this system actually inspire us or increase our capability and expressing right. This time we express our rights, which type of government and what type of candidates actually we like most. From this point of view, there is no alternative to election in a modern state. Democracy is regarded as the most effective of system prevailing in the world now, and election is the foundation of democracy. According to democracy, every decision has to include the opinion of the citizen or population. Election is the main and legal way of expressing that opinion. Therefore, democracy cannot run without election. Elections are two kinds, direct and indirect. Direct election, when the citizens elect their representative directly through casting their votes, it is called direct election. What is called direct election? When the citizen elect their representative directly through casting their votes. Members of the national parliament are elected through direct election in our country. Beside local administrators like chairman, members of the Union Parishad, chairman and members of Upazila Parishad, mayor and councillor of municipalities and city corporation are elected through their kind of election. Indirect election. In this process, citizens don't elect their representative through casting direct votes. Here the process is done in two phases. First, citizens elect their members for an intermediary body through direct voting. Then these members elect the ultimate representative through their votes. The president and member of reserved seats for women of the National Parliament of Bangladesh are elected through indirect system. The president of Bangladesh is not elected by the direct vote of the citizen. They elect the members of Jatiyo Sangshad during the national election. This member elect the president through their votes. Similarly, the members for reserved seats for women are not elected directly. Actually, they are elected indirectly. You see a diagram, look, voters direct casting their votes and elected representative direct system and indirect system. First election, who are the representative, they made a intermediary body, and these people voting the president or reserve seats members. This is called indirect election. National and local level process in Bangladesh. National election, generally there are 3 elections held in the national level. Jatiyo Sangshad election. The national legislation of Bangladesh is called Jatiyo Sangshad, and 350 seats in the parliament. 300 members of the parliament are elected through direct voting of country-wide adult franchise. Again, these elected members cast their votes in electing members for the rest 50 reserved seats for women. Although elected for a particular locality, each of these 350 members is a representative of the country as a whole. They legislate and conduct policy making for the country. The government of Bangladesh is formed on the basis of majority of members of Jatiyo Sangshad. Considering all this is the most important election of our country. Election of president. The election of the president is also a national level election, although it is an indirect election. Members of Jatiyo Sangshad are elected through adult franchise. These members on their part elect the president of Bangladesh for a 5-year term through their votes. Referendum. Referendum is held for taking the opinion of the public or the validation of any important issue. Actually, one kind of social survey. Referendum has been scrapped through the 15th amendment to the constitution, but it is still in practice in other countries. Local election. There are a number of local government under the central government in order to conduct local administration as well as development activities in a proper way. These are union and Upazila Parishad in the rural areas and municipalities, city corporation in town and cities. Following is a discussion on these local election. Union Parishad are village based. At present there are 4,554 unions in the country. Each union has 1 chairman, 9 general members and 3 reserve female members. They are elected for 5-year terms in direct vote of the inhabitants of concerned area. Upazila Parishad, 490 upazilas in the country at present, meaning 490 upazila Parishad. Each Parishad is constituted with a chairman and 2 vice chairmen. Out of the 2 vice chairmen, one is an elected as reserved for females. Upazila chairmen elected through direct votes of the allocated area for 5 years. Pauro Sabha is an urban based local government. There are 327 Pauro Sabhas in the country. Each Pauro Sabha has only 1 mayor, a number of councillors and some reserved female councillors. All of them are elected through direct vote of the local for 5 years. City corporation. There are a total of 12 metropolitan cities in Bangladesh. These are Dhaka North, Dhaka South, Chattogram, Rajshahi, Khulna, Borishal, Kumilla, Rangpur, Narayanganj, Gazipur, Silet, Mymensingh City Corporation is headed by a mayor. Each city corporation is divided into several wards. Each ward has one councillor. Inhabitants of the city elect mayor and councillor for 5 years through direct votes. Jila Parishad, there is one Jila Parishad is in each uh, of the 61 districts except the three hill districts. Each Parishad consists of one mayor, one chairman, 15 general members, and 5 female members in reserved seats. All of them are indirect voting by mayors and councillor of Poroshab and city corporation and chairman and members of union and Upazila Parishad under the Jila, and the term of each Jila Parishad is 5 years. Jila Parishad of hilly district, there are 3 hill district in Bangladesh. There are Rangamati, Khagrachori, Bandarban. There is a hill district Jila Parishad in each of them, which is constituted with a chairman, a definite number of ethnic minority and Bengali members. By election, a fresh election is held for new members or representative when a seat falls vacant due to death of the elected representative for the seat, or his or her resignation or any other reason. This is called by election. When a representative resign and die, for this reason election is held for new members. This is called by election. Look, lesson 3: Election Commission, Constituency and Code of Conduct. The institution that organizes and arranges the election is called the Election Commission. There is one such commission in Bangladesh too. It has one chief election commissioner and several commissioners appointed by the president. They serve the commissioners for 5 years from their date of joining. The main responsibility of the commission is to conduct the election of national and local level. The election commissioner has to do many other related things like making and updating the voter list, conducting all elections and by-election, allocating the election symbols, demarcating the constituencies, setting up polling centers, preparing code of conduct, printing the ballot paper, making ballot boxes, smooth imposition of code of conduct, taking votes and declaring the result, dissolving the election feud constituencies. The whole country is divided into specific areas for the sake of electing representative. Each of these area is called a constituency. Border of such constituency vary from election to election according to the nature of the election. For example, like our country divided into 300 constituencies for the election of Jatiya Sanshad. Similarly, constituencies for city corporation, upazila, Paurasabha, union parishad election are specified respective local border. The election commission specifies the areas a voter of an area cannot cast his or her vote in another area, and conduct of the election and declaration of the result are also done according to the election area. Code of election of conduct of election. Writing on the wall or strictly posters on the wall is not allowed. No procession or rally is permitted when submitting the nomination paper. After submitting the nomination paper, no procession will be held or is permitted. Meeting cannot be held on the street, on road, or public place. Posters can be hung on cords and placards can be used. No gates and lightning for publicity are permitted. Motorcycle or any vehicle is not permitted to rally. Look, qualification of a voter: he or she must be a citizen of Bangladesh. Vote and casting vote and rules of contest in election: he or she must be 18 years age or above. He or she must be inhabitant of the election commission and constitute. He or she must be insane and was not declared bankrupt. Insane means mental ability, who have who he or she who have no mental ability or mental problem. He not must be count as a voter. Process of casting vote: there are two systems of voting, open vote and secret ballot box. In open voting, representative raise their hand. I can say example, when your class captain elected, then you raising hand or support two boys or two girls, you support one and other support next, and this is called the open vote. This gives instant result. In secret vote, one has to cast his or her vote and marking their favorite candidate on the ballot paper and dropping in it box. The result is declared later when counting is complete. Rules of contesting election: any person can contest an election as a member of any party registered with the election commission. Candidate must be citizen of Bangladesh. He or she must be 25 years old if or she is to contest for a membership in Jatiya Sanshad. One cannot participate in an election if he or she certified an insane or bankrupt by the state in Bangladesh. He or she cannot contest an election while in government service holder. All responsibilities of conducting all election in Bangladesh lie on the election commission. So you already know who are the what type of quality voters have to, and what is election, and what is election commission, and what type of work they done. So thank you very much. If you have any problem, please contact with me.